So hello students, here we are with the lecture 2 of alcohol, phenols and ether. So now we'll be studying about the nomenclature of alcohols. There are three systems of nomenclature of monohydric alcohols: common system, common names, carbinol system and the IUPAC system. So in the common names, what do we do is the common name of the alcohols are written by adding word alcohol after the alkyl group bonded to OH. Okay. So if CH3OH, so the alkyl group will be methyl. So methyl alcohol. C2H5OH, so it is ethyl alcohol. Huh? Now names of the higher alkyl group are written using prefixes like normal, iso, secondary, tertiary. Okay. So normal propyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol, secondary butyl alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol. So like that. Then carbinol system. In this system, alcohols are considered as derivatives of methyl alcohol, which is called carbinol. So the alkyl group attached to the carbon carrying OH are named in the alphabetical order, and then the suffix carbinol is used. So here you see this is carbinol. So the alkyl group is methyl. So methyl carbinol. Got it? Methyl carbinol. Basically, the alcohols are considered as the derivatives of methyl alcohol. So, for methyl alcohol, what is term is used? Carbinol is used. Then, IUPAC system. For IUPAC system, the longest chain containing OH is selected, and then the numbering is done so that the OH containing carbon gets the minimum number. Okay. Then OH group is prefixed to the name of the parent hydrocarbon, and E ending E of the parent alkane is replaced by the ol. So if it is methyl alcohol CH3OH, so the alkane will be methane from which it is obtained. So replace E with ol. So methanol, ethanol, propanol, like that. Okay. If there are more than one OH groups, then we have to use the suffix diol or triol, like ethylene diol, huh? Propane 1,2,3 triol. So we'll just do some examples, then we'll still become clear. Things will become clear. Now let's see this example here. So here you have 4 carbon, longest chain is 4 carbon, and if we start the numbering from this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 methyl, 2 butanol. Okay. Then this one, if you see, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So longest chain is containing 6 carbon. So the parent compound will be hexanol, and methyl group is attached on the third position and the fifth position. So 3, 5 dimethyl, 1 hexanol. Okay. Now in this case, if we do the numbering from this side, 1 OH should get the minimum number, na? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 carbon is the longest chain, where on the 6th carbon there is methyl group attached, on in the 3rd carbon there is alcoholic group attached. So 6 methyl, 3 heptanol. Clear? So these are the cyclic compound. In this, the carbon containing OH group is given number 1, but the number 1 is not mentioned in the name. So this is 2 bromo 4 chloro cyclopentanol. Clear? So for writing the nomenclature of the polyhydroxy compounds, what do we do? The E alkane E is retained. So here you have 2 carbon alkane, that is ethane, and in the first and second position OH group is attached. So 1, 2 ethane diol. Then in this 1, 2, 3, 3 OH groups are there. So 1, 2, 3 propane triol. Clear? Then structural formula, common names and IUPAC names. So certain compounds have taken here their common name and their IUPAC name. So this is CH3OH. Common name will be what? Alkyl alcohol. That means one carbon alkyl is there, so it is methyl alcohol. And the IUPAC name is what? Methanol. Okay. IUPAC name is what? Alkanol. The E is replaced by OL. So CH3, CH2, OH. This is what common name will be what? Derived from two carbons. So derived from which alkane? Ethane. So the word root is what? Eth. So ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Then this is IUPAC name will be what? Ethanol. Okay. Then this is 1, 2, 3 carbon. Straight chain alcohol. So it is N propyl alcohol. Then 1, 2, 3. So propane 1-ol. Right. Then this is what? In this says OH group is attached on the second carbon. The longest chain is 1, 2, 3, 4 carbons. So it is butyl alcohol, and the OH group is attached on the second carbon, and there is a secondary carbon here. So secondary butyl alcohol is the common name. Okay. IUPAC name will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So butane 2-ol. Clear? Then this one here. In this, you see a branching of the second carbon, CH3, CH, CH3, CH2OH. There is a branching of the second carbon, that means it is iso. And how many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So isobutyl alcohol. The IUPAC name will be 1, 2, 3. So 2-methyl propanol. Clear? And this one is what? Tertiary butyl alcohol. There is a double branching on the second carbon, tertiary butyl alcohol. So this is tertiary butyl alcohol. The IUPAC name will be what? 1, 2, 3. So 2-methyl propane 2-ol. Clear? Okay. Then this one, CH2OH, CH2OH. The common name is what? Ethylene glycol. And the IUPAC name will be what? Ethane 1,2-diol. Clear? Then this one, 1, 2, 3 carbons holding OH. So polyhydroxy. So this is what? Propylene glycol. Sorry, propylene glycerol. Propylene glycerol. And the IUPAC name will be what? Propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the common name is what? Protenyl alcohol. And the IUPAC name will be butene and all. 1-ol. Clear? So phenols can also be divided into three classes, which are monohydric phenols, dihydric phenols, and trihydric phenols. So their nomenclature. It is common name as well as accepted IUPAC name, both in common and in the IUPAC system. Substitutive phenols are named as the derivatives of phenol. Then in the common system, the substituent position present on the benzene ring with respect to OH group is indicated by adding the prefix ortho, para, and meta. So ortho prefix is used for the 1, 2, meta is used for 1, 3, and para is used for 1, 4. So in spite of this, some phenols are given their trivial names. Okay. Then however, in the IUPAC system, the position of the substituent with respect to OH group is given by the Arabic numeral. Right? So 1 bromophenol, 2 bromophenol, like that. See here now, you have OH containing benzene ring. OH is given the carbon containing OH is given the first position. Then you have here methyl group attached in the second position. So this is 2-methyl phenol. And the common name is what? Orthocresol. Orthocresol. Clear? See here this one now. 1. So OH containing carbon is given number 1. 1, 2, 3. So 3-methyl phenol. And the IUPAC name will be what? 3-methyl phenol. And the common name will be metacresol. Clear? Then here you see first position is OH, 1, 2, 3, fourth position is methyl. So this is 4-methyl phenol and the common name will be paracresol. And here on the second position you have bromine group, so 2-bromophenol and the common name will be orthobromophenol. Clear? Then this one, first position carbon containing OH is having first position. So this is 1, 2, 3. So 3-bromophenol, or we can also say metabromophenol. Clear? Then this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4-nitrophenol or we can say para-nitrophenol. Correct? Okay. Now, phenol containing carbonyl groups such as aldehyde, ketonic, carboxyl, or an ester is known as hydroxyl derivative of the parent aromatic compound. Okay. So now let's see here. In that case, that aldehyde group or the carboxyl group is containing carbon is given number 1 and OH becomes the substituent. So here you see 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde, or the common name will be orthohydroxy benzaldehyde, also known as salicylic. Clear? Then this one COH containing carbon is given number 1. This is 2. So 2-hydroxybenzoic acid. Common name will be orthohydroxybenzoic acid, and it is also known as salicylic acid. Okay, now dihydric phenols and trihydric phenols. In the Iupac system, there will be di, tri, polyhydric phenols are named as hydroxy derivatives of benzene. Okay, so, however, they are mostly known by their trivial names. So here this Iupac name of this one will be what? Benzene 1,2-diol. Okay, and the common name will be catechol. Then this one, benzene 1,3-diol, 1,3-diol, and the trivial name will be resorcinol. Clear? And this one, 2-OH group on the first and fourth position. So this is benzene 1,4-diol, or it is known as hydroquinone. Okay. Now let's come to ether. So the common name of ether is derived by naming the 2-alkyl group or the 2-aryl group linked to the oxygen as separate words in alphabetical order and adding the word ether. So in case of symmetrical ethers, prefix di can be used. So like if you have CH3O CH3, it will be dimethyl ether. Or if you have CH3O C2H5, then it will be in alphabetical order ethyl methyl ether. Okay. Then IUPAC name. In the IUPAC name is what? Alkoxy alkane. So the ethereal oxygen is taken with a smaller alkyl group and forms a part of the alkoxy group, while the larger one is taken as a part of the alkane. So this is 2-methoxypropane. Clear? The longest chain is of 3 carbon propane. So 2-methoxypropane. Clear? So structural formula, common name, IUPAC name, CH3O CH3. The common name will be what? Dimethyl ether, because the two alkyl groups are same. So you take them together with the prefix dimethyl ether. Then IUPAC name will be what? Methoxymethane. Yeah. Then CH3O, CH2, CH3. So you have two different alkyl groups here. So one is ethyl and one is methyl. So ethyl methyl ether. Or the IUPAC name will be, the lower alkyl group will be taken with O, will become alkoxy, so methoxy ethane. Then this one CH3O, CH2, CH2, CH3. So this will be what? Methyl and propyl ether, or we can say 1-methoxypropane. Okay, then C6H5OCH3. This will be methyl phenyl ether. This is anisole, or you can say methoxybenzene. Yeah, then this one, this we have benzene ring, phenyl group, and the N-propyl. So phenyl and propyl ether, and the IUPAC name will be what? 1-propoxybenzene. Clear? And this one OCH3 is attached and 2 methyl groups are attached. So 2-methoxy, 1,1-dimethyl cyclobutene. Clear? Understood? Okay, thank you.